Hello everyone, welcome to Mommy's Physio page. In today's video, I will tell you about best rotator cuff tear exercises. So basically, what is rotator cuff tear? Rotator cuff tear is a tear of a rotator cuff muscles which is located around shoulder joint, which is responsible for dynamic stability and movements around shoulder joint, called supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor and subscapularis. So first exercise is pendulum exercises, which can be done with a weight. Do 10 to 15 times with a gentle up and down movements, forward and backward movements, and abduction adduction movements. 10 to 15 times with a light weight. You can also use bottle with the water, and you can also do with weight cuff as is shown in this video. So second exercise is of isometric exercises of internal rotator and external rotators. So basically, what is internal rotator and external rotator? When you move your arm inward, it is called internal rotation, and when you move your arm outside, it is called external rotator. So for second exercise of internal rotator, what you have to do is just give opposite force, doing inward movement and resist it, called isometric exercise of internal rotators. Hold the position for 10 to 20 seconds. Now third exercise is of external rotator isometric exercises, which can be done as same previous exercise of internal rotator, but what you have to do is giving opposite force in opposite direction. Do it for 10 to 20 seconds. Hold it for 5 seconds and repeat for 10 times. Now fourth exercise is of isotonic exercise of internal and external rotator. You can also do with a dumbbell or a weight cuff or a bottle. Do it slow movements. This is for external rotators with a weight. Remember, it is an isotonic exercise. You should move your arm. And the next you can also do with the weight cuff, same exercises. Do it slowly. And last exercise is of strengthening exercise of rhomboid muscles, which is around shoulder joint back side. What you have to do is just stretch and rotate your wrist when you are reaching your last limit. Do it very slowly. As you can see, my wrist is externally rotated slowly. Rotate your wrist at last range of the movement. So follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/mominphysio.